and talk about the 1039 minimum score triangulations of polygon. The question is, you have a convex, how do you speak this one?
Convex
Unsigned polygons where each vertex has an integer value. You are given integer array values where the values I is the value of the i's vertex in clockwise order. Polygon.
Triangulation.
Polygon triangulation is a process you divide a polygon into a set of triangles, and vertices of each triangle must also be vertices of original polygon. Note that no other shapes other than triangles are allowed in division. This process will result in a minus 2 triangles. You will triangulate the polygons. For each triangle, the weight of that triangle is the product of the value at its value. Okay, this is some kind of rule. The total score of the triangulation is the sum of these weights over all minus 2 triangulars. So return the minimal possible score that you can achieve with some triangulations of the polygon. Okay, 1, 2, 3. The value is output is 6. The polygon is ready triangulate, and the score of the only triangle is 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. And for this one, 3, right? We have two options. This one or this one or this one or this one. So we pick up the minimum score. Okay, so this problem's main idea is give you it's kind of like a graph, and we have to pick up the we have to separate the based on the this point, separate them into the triangle, and you have to calculate the triangles like based on this value, and return the minimal way. Okay, this way is kind of like minimal way. There are multiple solution, right? So currently now I didn't know what kind of solution is great. So it's kind of like I have to looking up all the solutions and find out the find out the minimum part. So in this before I searching that, I didn't know the result. So the method is use the DFS. I will use this to find to kind of like tree, right? And you have to check every everything. You have to check everything, and until get some results return back. This is my idea to solve these problems. We can start from the first one. Like we pick up this one and pick up the DFS, right? DFS is like the first point, the second point. So we pick up the one, and to find the we pick up this one and just pick up the 4. Now this will be great. Okay, this one. We pick up the 1 first, and we also pick up the 4. So there has the one way to generate the triangle, right? This one can choose this one. I cannot choose this one. It can choose this one or this one. then we have like whether we have the triangle. Yeah, we can pick up 1, 3, 4, right? So this is the triangle. And also we can try 1, 1, 4. This is also triangle, so pick up 1. Yeah, so we can start from this way. It's kind of like you have the stable 2 variable, the one or random of this, and keep finding of them and calculate. Let's see the code how to write this. So int and directly return the DFS, start from the 0, the first point, and this is the last point, like 1 here, 5 here. So it can pick up stuff from 3, 1, 4, right, to generate the triangle. I int j. So if the j is equal to I plus 1, pick up this one. Because 1 and 3, there's no point, so we cannot generate the triangle, so just directly return 0. Because we are picking up the minimum score, so suppose current integer is equal to the maximum. And now we can pick up we choose 1 and 5, so we pick up the between them. So in the k is stuff from the I plus 1, and the k smaller than the j. So without equal to the, so int sub without DFS ik values plus the DFS I we start from the pick up the k here. We should pick up, wait a second, so if we pick up the 1, 5, pick up this one, right? So this if this one is k, so we also need to calculate this one. So we need to, this still need to triangle something too. So k I plus the k and then k to the j. Plus the it should be times. Now we update the results. And return result. You can check for here. Values. Okay, a minimum. Okay, time exceed. But we can, whether can k plus. can check for this one. Okay, so this will not run. It's a run, right? So because the k need to be smaller than is +1, it will not allow. Yeah. And then because in this way the tree will have some duplicate way, so we can use the memory to store the no. Okay, this one. Wait a second. Oh, sorry. No. No. We can, if the memory, like if we check before, so we can directly return the memory. Then we can okay. Yep, and the time complexity would be the square, because we triangle, right? So space 3 and so and square, we have the memory here. Yep, thank you.